Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna share with you one of my easy recipe called chicken stew. So let's start cooking. So first of all guys, I have 2 tablespoons of oil, and I heat it up already, and I have this 1 medium size of onion, we saute, and also I have this 2 bay leaf and 2 cloves of garlic, Okay, now I have this 1 kilo chicken, and I cut this size, so we put this one in. I have this oyster sauce, and half teaspoon of salt. That's the pepper. Okay, after we mix this, just make sure that they're all covered with the sauce. Now we put in the water, 400 ml of water. Okay, we let it simmer until it boils, and after that we put the ingredients, I have these 2 potatoes, and I cut this size. Look at that, Put it in. We just mix it a little bit. And we cover this one back. So guys, I boiled it for at least 2 minutes. Now I'm gonna put my carrot, 1 carrot, and I just cut it this size, okay. And now we just cover this one back. So look at that guys, the water is almost half gone. Now I'm having this capsicum, green and red capsicum. I have 1 capsicum, and I cut it this size, look at that, and this, the red one, is half of the capsicum, and I also cut the size, Now you're gonna put this one in, and actually guys, I actually add in 1.5 tablespoon of tomato sauce, any brand of tomato sauce you can put, and 1 teaspoon of soya sauce to add in the flavor, so now we're gonna cover this and let it simmer for 2 minutes, and then we dish out, So guys, now our chicken is ready. Before we dish out, I have this 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, and I diluted it with a little bit of water, so we're gonna put this one in, and just mix this. So now this is ready to dish out, So this is it guys, this is the final result of my chicken stew, and I tell you, this is very delicious. And thank you guys for watching my video, and don't forget to like and share, and also subscribe for more upcoming recipes. Bye guys!